What is the information here? There's a group of 5 persons, A, B, C, D and E. In the group, there is one badminton player, one chess player and one tennis player. Right? So he's talking about 5 persons, A, B, C, D, E, of which one is a badminton player, there's one chess player and one tennis player. And then he says A and D are unmarried ladies. So A and D are females here and do not play any games. So now with respect to games, it must be clear, right? A and D are 2 persons who do not play any games, and the other 3, which means which means B, C and E, right? These 3 players play badminton, chess and tennis in some order. Then no lady is a chess player or a badminton player. That's another point. There's a married couple in the group of which E is the husband. So there's one married couple of which E is the husband. And then he says B is the brother of C and is neither a chess player nor a tennis player. So what do we do? A, B, C, D, E. Okay. 5 persons. Now there's one badminton player, one chess player, one tennis player. We cannot use it immediately. A and D are unmarried ladies. First of all, let us mark A and D as female. So you know that the gender is female here, right? So A and D are unmarried ladies and do not play any games, right? They do not play any games. A and D do not play any games. Next, no lady is a chess player or a badminton player. No lady is a chess player or a badminton player. So it is clear now that out of B, C and E, there is at least one more lady, and that lady doesn't play chess or badminton. But who is that person is not very clear, right? Then it says there is a married couple in the group of which E is the husband. So there is a married couple of which E is the husband. E is the husband. E is the husband. So E is definitely male. And you know that E is not married to D and A, because A and D are unmarried ladies. Remember, A and D are unmarried ladies. So obviously E is either married to C or married to B. Okay. Then next point says B is the brother of C. Now B is the brother of C. Brother meaning what? B is male. B is the brother of C. Now what's the gender of C? It's not very clear, right? If B is the brother of C, doesn't mean that C is the sister of B. C can be sister or brother, both are possible. But the point here is, we know that E is a married person and he is the husband of one of these persons here. Now we already know that A and D are unmarried, B is the brother, so obviously we can say that E is married to C and C has to be a female person then, right? So with respect to relationships, it's very clear. B is the brother of C, C and E are a married couple and A and D are unmarried, right? So B is the brother of C and is neither a chess player nor a tennis player. So B is neither a chess player nor a tennis player. The other point that we know is no lady is a chess player or a badminton player. So which means B doesn't play chess, C also doesn't play chess, right? B does not play chess and C does not play chess. So obviously E would play chess. And then we know that B doesn't play tennis, right? He is not a chess player or a tennis player. So B doesn't play tennis. So obviously C would play tennis. And then we can say B plays badminton and done, right? That's the final arrangement. A, B, C, D, E. Of course, not an arrangement, but we only have to understand who persons who plays what game and the relationships among these 5 persons. Clear? Let us answer the questions now. I think, yeah. So here are the questions. The first one says, which of the group has only ladies? Now, who are the ladies in this group here? Of course, A and D are ladies was directly given to us in the statement itself, and logically we have found that C is also a lady. So A, C and D. A, C, D. A, C, D. Option D would be the answer. Who is the tennis player? Who is the tennis player? C is the tennis player, right? Who is the wife of E? Who is the wife of E? C is the wife of E, right? So your answer must be D, B, D, right? D, B, D.